Baby. Why did you just slap me? Eh? Baby.
You left me for 2 weeks. 2 weeks you've been away. How do you want me to cope? How? Like, am I not human? I'm a woman and I need a man to be beside me.
Baby, that's not the reason why you should slap me.
You've been away for 2 weeks. You've been away for 2 weeks. How were you expecting me to be copying all this while? I don't like this.
I went on a business trip.
For 2 weeks. For 2 weeks.
I didn't plan to stay that long. It was just going to take 2 days. But then something changed and then we have to extend our stay there. That's just what happened. Look, my honey, I am very sorry, please. Just calm down. Do you know what? I am going to make up for this, okay? Cheer up now. Come on. Baby?
Yes.
What is this? Who owns this? Huh?
It's yours.
This is mine?
Yes, I
don't get. Since when did I start wearing with jeans like this?
I was about to do some laundry, then I brought this one out here, so I forgot.
So you mean this is my this is my jean?
Yes, it's yours.
Really?
I forgot. Yes.
I don't think I have such. This is not mine.
It's yours now. It's yours. It's your own.
Yes, it's mine.
It's yours?
It's mine. I remember.
Yes, I told you.
It's my head.
I told you.
Baby, see this clothes. It's really mine.
Yes.
Oh, what's that thing there?
What's there?
See there. Oh, never mind. It's just the television. See, baby. I want to go inside.
Okay.
You know, I just came back. I am so tired.
Okay.
Let me freshen up.
Okay.
Yes, I will see you soon. My love. my wife.
Okay, I'll join you soon.
All right.
Oh, thank God. Thank God.
Babe.
What are you doing here? You're supposed to be gone by now.
My trouser.
Your trouser?
Yes. There's money inside it. I need the trouser. It was here. Where is it?
My husband took it. He saw it and he was asking me. I had no other option than to tell him that the trouser belongs to him.
Your husband took it?
He took it. Any problem?
There's a bundle of dollar inside it. That's the money my boss gave me to pay for his goods.
Oh, God. Why did you even leave your trouser at the first place?
Why? He came all of a sudden. You told me he's not around. Now what was I supposed to do? Wasn't it just a sudden thing?
You're not supposed to be here. You know this. You know you're not supposed to be here.
That money.
Honey?
Honey?
Yes, baby.
What are you still doing here?
I'm just thinking of the dish I'll make for you. I don't know which one you like.
Oh, you know I love food, Honey, see, I want you to make me the best of meal today.
Right?
As if today is my birthday,
Yes.
I need something delicious. Do you know what? My favorite. Get me white rice and stew with enough chicken.
Okay, I have enough in the freezer.
It's alright, baby.
I'm just cooking.
Yeah, it's okay. Baby, you know what?
Yes.
I think before you get to start cooking,
Yes.
let's go inside. I just came back now. Wait, call me very well now, You've just been sitting here. Come, come, stand up, Baby, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
You should be happy that I came back now,
happy.
There are some drinks in the fridge, right? Let's go and have fun. Come, my love.